Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Google account has Drive and Photos active. Open Gmail and find the messages that contain the photos or videos you want to store. If you're on mobile, make sure the Drive app is installed. It lets you upload directly from your camera roll. Next, open an email with attachments, and instead of downloading to device, click the Drive icon or Save to Drive option. This preserves original quality and keeps files in the cloud for easy sharing and search. Once you've clicked Save to Drive, navigate to Drive. Google, or open the Drive app and move saved items into a clearly named folder. Use dates or event titles so you can find things later. If attachments are large, upload directly from the Gmail attachment preview using the web interface. It handles big files more reliably. Make sure to check the Drive storage meter if you're near the quota. Consider Google Photos high-quality settings or upgrade storage. Finally, to finish, organize and automate. Create Gmail filters that label or star messages with attachments so you can batch save later. Then use Drive search terms like type, video, or owner, me, and folder names to find items quickly. Share stored media by inserting Drive links in new emails to avoid reattaching files. If something goes wrong, verify you haven't exceeded storage, confirm the file size is under limits. Clear browser cache or retry on mobile with a stable Wi-Fi connection. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.